This is big, and we're learning this just from having conversations with ChatGPT. Whenever you query some results for the target that you're looking for, you can just ask it why. And a lot of the times what we're seeing, it's so basic. ChatGPT is like, yeah, they're the best attorney because they have the best results. And it's like, how did you find those results? Like, oh, they have them on their website. They have them all over their website. They're talking, like on every page, they have the cases that they've won. They have blah, blah, all this stuff. So now we're also starting to rethink just kind of like overall site architecture, saying, okay, all of our attorney clients should have a results page. On that results page, it should talk about their credentials. It should talk about the cases that they've won. It should talk about client testimonials with as much detail as you can give, right? And then on top of that too, thinking more about each attorney inside of the law firm being its own source of trust. So every attorney should have their own attorney bio page, and on that attorney bio page, it should have all their education, it should have all their accreditations, it should have all their cases won, it should have as much detail about them as possible, because this is how we turn the law firm into a trusted source based on the attorneys that they actually have. So we're rethinking and restructuring all these different things and making sure that the site reflects that as well too. Social profile, site also as well. Just local relevant stuff, so writing this content. We've done a lot of this with SEO too, right? When people ask us a lot in terms of, okay, if you're working with an attorney who has multiple locations, but it's the same service, right? If you're a divorce attorney in Miami, Boca, Fort Lauderdale, Jacksonville, isn't that the same page 4 times over? Well, yes and no. Yes, in the sense that the topic is that it's a different location. On that location, you should be talking about the nuances of that market, right? If you're in different states, there's different laws, but if you're in the same state, you're talking about local courts, right? Like talking about the courthouses that you might have to go to, talking about the process of the Jacksonville divorce, all the different judges are there, all these different things. That's what we want to start folding into this content. Why? Because 1, it helps with local relevance, but 2, if you're going through that process, these things are probably on your mind, and it's just helpful content. And these are things that if you're using traditional keyword research tools, it's not going to show up, right? Like these queries usually aren't too relevant to each other. We have to be a little bit more, I don't know, common sense is the best word that comes to mind.